How to earn with TikTok affiliate program. What happens in TikTok affiliate is that you promote products on TikTok, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Here you don't need to make or own the products. To do this, firstly you will need to join the TikTok affiliate program. You can open the app or the TikTok affiliate program website. Here you might see a button called Start Earning Now or Register or Join. Before that, make sure that you check eligibility. You must be 18 plus, must have a TikTok shop account, and must meet follower or content requirements. After that, apply and wait for approval. And now you need to choose products to promote. TikTok shop has thousands of products. You can pick from those and select the one that you think will get sales. And now use your social media marketing strategies. You can create TikTok content that sells. The type of contents that do really good on TikTok is product reviewing, top 5 gadgets or best kitchen tools, how-to tutorials, and before and after results. Make sure that you keep your videos very short, 15 to 30 seconds for retention. That's all for today. Thank you.